So basically, LIC, life insurance company, helps in mobilizing the savings. The LIC mobilizes the saving of policyholders and give public and private sector types of industries. Provide finance. For example, LIC helps in the assistance of industry. Whatever the amount LIC gain from the public, it is utilized to provide finance to the different industries. So it provides finance. Then deployment of funds in the money market instruments. The funds temporarily invested in short-term money market instruments like call notice, deposit, certificate deposits, Government of India, treasury bills, short-term fixed deposits with the bank and commercial papers issued by corporates which are anticipated investments. All this fund can be invested in the money market instruments, the small term, short-term money market instruments which can be utilized to fulfill the needs of short-term credit. Investment in small and medium scale industries. LIC always give financial help by investing in the small and medium scale industry so that they have the money to get started. Assistance of corporate sector. Obviously, when it is helping short term, long term, and medium sized firms, they are providing a push to the corporate sector and they are helping in the assistance of corporate sector. Resources support to financial institutions. LIC as a corporate sector always provide various kind of resources to the financial institutions so that they can run successfully. General Insurance Corporation of India or GIC. Now, life insurance is basically given on the lives of the people. Now, coming to the General Insurance Corporation of India, general insurance are basically the insurances which are not related to life. They are related to the physical properties or physical health, you can say. For example, marine insurance, cargo insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance, fire insurance. All these insurances come under General Insurance Corporation of India. The National General Insurance was done in 1972 by the government. There was an amalgamation between 107 insurance companies along with the foreign companies. So, first nationalization of general insurance was done in 1972, whereas the first insurance company nationalized in 1956. All right, always remember this thing. In November 1972, the General Insurance Corporation was formed as a building company of four general insurances. These four companies are government companies which are registered under Companies Act. The Government of India has subscribed to a capital of GIC. GIC has started the business in January 1 1973. GIC was made for checking the aviation insurance, which includes hull and liability of national carriers like Indian Airlines and Air India, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and International Airport Authority of India. All these comes under the GIC. The basic objective of GIC is to supervise, monitor, and helps in attaining the business effectively and efficiently. GIC helps the rural population by giving need based and low cost general insurance. For example, if rural people need general insurance, they can get them on lower prices. The crop insurance, you must have heard about the crop insurances. For example, now insurances are done on for the crops as well. If the crop get destroyed or due to famine, it does not yield the desired results or does not help in attaining a particular amount of money to you guys. So you what you do, you always give an insure you always take insurance for your crop. Planning of insurance scheme provides social security to the public. It helps in promoting the insurance companies in the country. When government will run a GIC, companies like GIC, that is general insurance companies, other companies which are privately holding this also get encouragement from the local people because they will get the general insurance done from the private companies as well. It has also helped in mobilizing the saving. Obviously, whenever you have extra amount left with you guys, you always try to invest in something better. When you are investing in a thing for which is providing you a certain future, obviously that will help in mobilizing your channelizing your funds in a appropriate manner. Functions of GIC: perform function of journal insurance, assistance of general insurance company, controlling cost. GIC, now what is the function of GIC? GIC helps in function of general insurance. How to run a general insurance? It helps in maintaining that thing. Assistance of general insurance companies: if general insurance companies need any kind of help, they can come to GICs. Controlling cost: it helps in acquiring companies in controlling various payments and commissions and other expenses. Investments of fund: it helps in attaining an investment funds. Give direction: it gives direction to the journal areas, for example, which needs to be covered under the GIC.